How do I get a completed acknowledgement of paternity in Oklahoma? I'm told Attorney James Wirth, and that's the question that we have. It's off the heels of this prior video that talked about the importance of fathers in Oklahoma that were not married to the mothers having an acknowledgement of paternity so that they have standing to file for emergency custody should they need to, and so that they can demonstrate they're the father so that by the statute they should have equal rights and responsibilities to the child. So last video demonstrated you need to have a copy of an acknowledgement of paternity. This video is how do you get one? And it comes up a lot where we've got clients that want to file for emergency custody to protect their child, but they can't prove that they are the father in order to have standing to do so because they don't have the acknowledgement of paternity. Luckily, there's a lot of different ways to get it. And as far as government agencies goes, this one has made it fairly simple. So where is it held? Okay, the Oklahoma State Department of Health has a division of vital records. They're the ones that handle birth certificates and acknowledgement of paternities. And if you need acknowledgement of paternity, you can actually call 405-271-4040, or you can email askvr@health.ok.gov. If that's not easy enough, they've got other options as well. You can mail it request to CSS Paternity Acknowledgement Section, P.O. Box 248843, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma 74124. And again, if that's not enough, they've got another option. You can fax a request, 405-325-7141. Make it to the attention of CSS Paternity Acknowledgement Section. So when you are sending that in there, you are going to want to include the following. You're going to need the name and social security number of either the mother or the father, the child's name, date of birth, and place of birth, the approximate date that the acknowledgement of paternity was signed, and an address where you want the copy sent to. Also, you got to let them know if you want a certified copy or not. If you're going to want to proceed and use it in court, then you're going to want a certified copy of that. The request must be signed by the mother or the father, as shown on the acknowledgement form, their attorney, or an employee of the child support office. So as attorney's offices, we request those frequently for our clients, but also fathers should have those on their own in case a situation comes up. That's how you make that request. If you're dealing with this scenario, you want legal advice, you're going to want to talk to an attorney privately and confidentially about that. To get that scheduled with an attorney at my office, you can go online to makelawEasy.com.